guys, I'm Chef Adrienne Calvo. Thanks for joining me. Today we're making steel pan pizza. Super delicious, super easy, and we're using my Alva stainless steel frying pan. Let's get started. So first step is we're going to heat up our pan. Now, if you don't have a gas range, no problem. Alva stainless steel frying pan works great on induction. Okay, we're gonna get that to a nice medium heat, not too high. And now we're gonna add olive oil to our pan. A good amount. And you're gonna use like a paper towel or a dish rag, and you're gonna distribute that oil all around the pan. As you see how that olive oil kind of drips, you see how well made Alva stainless steel frying pan is as it kind of drips down nice and even. Now, here we have our pizza dough, and that's gonna go right into the pan, and we're gonna use our hands to press onto it. Okay, beautiful. We're gonna press onto it with even pressure. Now you might have to stretch. At this point, we're gonna lower it because that's gonna allow the heat to distribute evenly towards the center and create your crust. Okay. As you can see, the dough should be able to move around freely like this. Making your own pizza dough is relatively easy, but you can also get a store-bought one. And as you can see, because of its great even heat distribution, you should still be able to move around this dough freely. I like to use the tips of my fingers like this and kind of continue to move the dough around. So after a couple of minutes, like so, you could kind of feel, you can also listen for it, that it's creating that crust on the bottom. That means it's time to start pouring in our ingredients. So the next step is we are going to add our pizza sauce. Okay, we're gonna use a spoon, the back of a spoon, to kind of spread that evenly around. Now, it's important not to overflow your pizza with sauce because the moisture will not allow your pizza dough to cook thoroughly. Just like so. I like to make these little rings like this. Beautiful. Next, we're gonna add our mozzarella cheese. Beautiful. So we're gonna add that evenly all the way around. I like my pizza cheesy. Next step is pepperoni, and this is where you would add all your additional toppings, whether it's sausage, peppers, onions, olives. I'm gonna stick with pepperoni for today. I'm going to add these evenly all the way around my pizza. So I'm gonna work from the outside inward, like so, to make sure that I have even spacing, so when I eat my pizza, I have a bite of pepperoni on every piece of this pizza. Next, I'm gonna add Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna add a little Parmesan over the top, and it's gonna go into a 425-degree oven for about 5 to 7 minutes to finish cooking. Into the oven it goes. What I love about the Alva stainless steel frying pan is that, as you can see, it went right from the stove and into the oven because it's oven proof. All right, so as you can see, it's dancing around in the pan, and that can only happen because Alva stainless steel frying pan is made with high-grade stainless steel. All right, so watch this. We're gonna slide this off just like so. The pan is almost clean. You hear that right there? That's why steel pan pizza is so amazing, and that's why Alva stainless steel frying pan is perfect. Can't wait to cut into this. This might be the best recipe we've ever made, but it could also be because I love pizza. It could also be because of the Alva stainless steel frying pan. Now it's time for the ultimate test. Actually, when pizza hangs out like this, nice and straight, it doesn't flop over, that's how good that crust is. All right, let's give it a try. To buy your Alva Cookware today, visit my curated collection page found in the description.